Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, universal garage door opener, tinted glass, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.